child's development, play to a child is very essential. It's very essential to their mental development, their social development, their emotional development, and their physical development. We all know that children like to play, but what we may not really know is the importance of play in a child's life. Play is very essential to every area of a child's growth and development. So I hear some parents say, this child plays too much, this child plays too much. Leave the child, let the child play. It's very needed for proper development. Play provides a means of energy to be put to use. Play strengthens and refines small and large motor skills. It builds stamina and strength. Sensory learning develops mostly through play, because when the children are playing, they are able to put all their senses into use. So this way, this sensory abilities of the children are developed. Play is really significant to the physical development of the child, because without play, the body will not grow and develop normally. Yes, the body of a child will not grow and develop normally if that child does not play. And again, children possess a natural curiosity. They want to explore, they want to learn, they want to make sense out of their environment. And how can this be encouraged? How can this be done? It is through play. And as parents, as teachers, as educators, what we can do is to support this learning activity by ensuring that our children have age-appropriate toys, they have materials, and that the environment suitable for play is made available. That's why if you look at the Montessori style of learning, the children learn through play. So when you go to a Montessori school, you see colors, you see toys, you see things that can be felt. You see water, the children are asked to run their hands through water. You see sand, the children are asked to feel sand, to feel grains, because this way their senses are being developed, their sensory abilities are being built up. So play is very important. So we as parents, you need to get age-appropriate toys for your children, materials, and then create an enabling environment for them to play safely. And then play enables the children to know things about the world and to discover information essential to learning. Through play, children learn basic concepts like colors, counting, how to build things, and how to solve problems. Thinking and reasoning skills are at work every time a child engages in any kind of play. Children learn to relate to one another when they are playing. They negotiate roles, they share, they obey rules through play. They also learn how to belong to a group or how to be a part of a team. A child obtains and retains friends through play. So play fulfills so many things in the life of a child. Play fulfills so many needs, such as a sense of accomplishment, successfully giving and receiving attention, and then the need for self-esteem. All these are fulfilled through play in the life of a child. Play helps children to develop a strong sense of self, and this is emotionally satisfying to them. They learn about fairness, about justice. They learn about ways of expressing their emotions, such as anger, fear, frustration, stress, and they learn they discover ways by which they can deal with these feelings. So encourage your child's play. Let your child play. Play is never too much for a child. Just make sure you create a balance. So in as much as the child plays, make sure there's also time to wind down and to study. You understand? So make your child play, age appropriate play. Color pictures, make finger paintings, build buildings with building blocks, build imaginary cities with building blocks, build a tent in the middle of the living room, go camping. Childhood is fleeting, so let them enjoy being a child. while they are one. Let them enjoy being a child while they are one. So play, the importance of play in the life of a child cannot be overemphasized. If you want your child to grow and develop normally, then you must encourage your